great to see you again. I missed you. Today, we're at the Hotel Intercontinental, and we're going to see how to make fresh mozzarella. I've never had this before. It was so interesting, and spoiler alert, delicious. All right, guys, come on, check it out.
So we got cheese curds in 180-degree water. Yeah, just gather them slowly. So the stretching actually helps distribute the fat and the oil throughout the whole cheese.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, and to get that mozzarella shiny texture and that density. But we don't want to overstretch it because then it'll be rubbery and like the texture just won't be good. The taste will be there, but the texture will just be kind of gross. And so that's when you know it's almost ready, when it's not stretching as much.
Okay.
So this is the texture we want, and now it's mozzarella.
Wow.
So after all the pulling, being in the 180-degree water, stuffing it, make it into a pretty ball, oil.
Cool. It kind of looks like a giant poached egg, huh?
Yeah, it does.
So fascinated by this.
Just add some on the side if you want some. And it's ready.
All right, here's the test. Okay, so it's a little bit kind of rubbery to cut. Still kind of stretchy. We still got some of that stretchy in there. All right. Now this is the real test right here. Smells good. That was good though. Well, I guess it tastes like mozzarella, like on a really good Italian mozzarella pizza. And it's got a really nice texture. It's chewy, but it's not like blubbery chewy. It's really good. So if you come here, I really recommend the Tableside mozzarella. Good.